Hi YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cool little crow mask like this. It's got a strap to wear. So for materials you're going to need paper, I'm using printer paper, a writing utensil, a scissors, and of course some tape. The first step is going to be taking one of your pieces of printer paper and folding it hamburger style. And then take your writing utensil of whatever kind and draw an oval. And then in that oval you're going to draw a triangle coming down. This is going to be where the beak goes, and so you have a space for your nose and mouth. Then draw on whatever shape eye you would like. And on the side and top, you want to make these really thin, long little triangles, because that's what's going to give the shape to the sides of the mask there. Grab a new piece of paper and draw your beak. You can do whatever size you want. I'm doing a nice big one. I end up trimming it down and later in the video, so it doesn't matter too much. Go ahead and cut everything out. For the eye, if you bend the paper in the middle, it's easier to get a start on there. And since you folded it, it will be even on both sides. I also cut out the beak, and you should have two pieces of paper there. If not, cut it down the center so that you get two pieces. And then put tape all along the top half. You won't want to leave any gaps or there'll be some spaces in the beak. So this one you want to have tape along the entire upper part there. And I had a little bit extra, so I had to trim it. Then when you open it up, you should have a good little beak shape. This is optional, but I created a bit of a angle here so that the beak would point down on the mask a bit, just to cover my mouth and chin. Then you can go ahead and tape each of the little triangles, and you can put the beak on. I started in the middle just to make sure that it was going to be nice and even, and then I went to the sides, and I did put quite a bit of tape on here as well just to make sure that it wouldn't pop off. Then you can see me just trimming this down because I decided it looked a little too big for what I wanted. And then for the straps, it's pretty simple. Just cut a piece of paper, a couple straps the long way, and then I tape it on the inside of the mask to make it look a little bit more finished. Tape one side on, go ahead and test it on and pinch with your finger how big you're going to need the strap. And then you just tape it on and you've got a pretty good mask. I end up coloring mine. You can color it before or after. Markers is definitely easier because you don't need to push as hard. But this is what my little crow mask looks like. It turned out pretty well. You could use construction paper to make it stronger, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.